Hello and welcome back to another episode of JustFrugalMe.com. A majority of our homes use air filters to clean the air that's circulating through our ventilation system. Changing your air filter out regularly can help save you money on multiple things, and let's not mention the energy efficiency. So we're going to head over to Home Depot, pick up a new air filter, and we're going to take it from there. When looking at filters, as you can see behind, we have a wide variety of filters to choose from. But the main thing that you want to pay attention to is your filter performance rating, your FPR. Here, let's just look at some of the FPR. You might think that changing your filter less frequently will save you more money. However, that is not the case. Think about when you breathe and you get congested, that you are finding yourself working harder to breathe. The same thing goes with your HVAC system, that all of the dust and material that's being sucked up through your ventilation system is being stuck right there on the filter. So when you don't change your filter every 3 months, all of that dust is building on that filter, and your unit is working harder trying to heat and cool your home, which is resulting to a higher energy cost and frequent maintenance on your machine. So if you want to save money, make sure that you're changing your filter regularly. Filters come in different sizes. However, just don't look at just the size, but look at the type of filter that you're getting as well, because you want to make sure that you get a filter that's best for your needs. Whether if you have pets or allergies or health problems, make sure that the filter is right for you. This is my daughter, Lizzie.
Hi, don't settle with any old filter.
When you don't change your filter regularly, it can lead to different health issues, such as irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat,
Headaches,
dizziness,
rashes,
muscle pain, and fatigue. And paying a little extra, you can help eliminate visits to the doctors and medication.
like me.
Oh, won't somebody please think of the children?
Reduce your HVAC costs by replacing your filter every 3 months. Make sure that you're buying the filter that best suit your needs. This keeps your system running at peak efficiency, which leads to better improved health.
Oh, won't somebody please think of the children?
Well, that's all I have here for you today. I need for you to do 3 things for me. Please like this video, subscribe, and share this video with those who you believe that would benefit from this content.
Maybe your aunt, grandmother, or some friends. Remember, about being frugal is not about being cheap.
It's about being resourceful. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.